In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete website on GoDaddy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to properly delete a website on GoDaddy. So for you to completely delete a website instead of unpublishing it, all that you have to do is sign into your account on a GoDaddy website on a web browser on your computer or your phone, and after you are properly signed in, click on your name or your account option over here on the navigation bar. Then, instead of going over to My Products, you have to go over to Renewals and Billing. The option to cancel auto renewal and delete a website or a product in GoDaddy is going to be available here. So once you go over to the billing page, you will be able to select a specific website that you would like to delete. So in this case, it is this free plan that I have as an example. Just tick this box at the left side of the website and then choose cancel auto renewal. Now, the name suggests that this is only useful if we are trying to cancel the renewal. However, as you can clearly see, alongside the option to cancel the renewal, we also have the option to delete the product. So even though it is quite hidden, you will still be able to completely delete it altogether. So all that you have to do here is click this option. Now, for this video, I'm not going to delete the website. I still need it for recording purposes, but of course, if you are satisfied with losing this website, just go ahead and click on delete my product. Of course, I recommend that you keep a backup just in case, but you should take your time and consider your options, because deleting a website cannot be undone. So, like I said, make sure that you have backups if you ever plan to develop this website again. But all that you have to do now is choose delete my product, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish with as many websites as you have listed on the management page for the billing and renewals. I hope I was able to help you on how to delete website on GoDaddy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.